Welcome dear friends. Today we are going to learn how to draw various angles just using a compass and a scale. So we will be just making first of all learning how to make an angle of 60 degree, because many of the time you just need to perform 60 degree and various other operations for constructing a triangle, rectangle or a square and a parallelogram also. Mark out a desired centimeter of number line for 60 degrees. Now you have to just take 2 centimeter of measurement on your compass, and after taking the 2 centimeter measurement you just need to put a arc. After putting the arc you just need to place your pointer here on the intersection and just draw an arc on the bigger arc. Now first of all name the line segment as A, B and the point of intersection as C. Now you have to simply do is intersect the arc from point B and pass it over. If you measure this, it will be a 60 degree. Next we are going to learn how to do 30 degree. For example, if you want to construct 30 degree, we have to simply do is bisect the angle. Now we have done 60 degree from this side, we will be doing from this side. Same measurement of 2 centimeter, draw an arc, name A, B and here as C, cut the arc. This will be a 60 degree, we have to draw is 30 degree. So we just need to bisect this angle. For bisecting the angle, just measure this, take the measurement of this or any other measurement and draw arc from both of the point. The intersection of this point will be your 30 degree. Just pass a line segment from the arc, it will be your 30 degree. For 90 degree, we have to do is first of all draw a line segment of any desired measurement. Take semicircle, name the line as A, B, intersection point as C. Taking the same measure, draw arc on the line, on the arc. Draw 2 arcs on the arc. From the both arc, again you have to draw an arc intersecting each other. Now pass A and intersection point from each other. The measurement here will be 90 degree. Now if you bisect this angle, it means taking the measurement of any centimeter, draw one arc from here, one arc from here. The line segment, the angle you will be getting is of 45 degree. The angle here, it will be 45 degree. So if you get a desired number of angles, you can also perform various other construction. For example, if you go throughout your chapter number 4, exercise 4.1, it is given that construct quadrilateral ABCD and measurement are given as AB equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD equal to 4 centimeter, AD equal to 6 centimeter and AC equal to 7 centimeter. You have to simply do is first of all take a measurement of base, that is BC equal to 5.5 centimeter. First of all draw 5.5 centimeter base, BC. Now you have to just do is simply draw a rough sketch for your given construction, that is BCAD. Your given measurement for AB is 4.5, BC is 5.5, CD is 4 centimeter, AD is 6 centimeter and AC here it is 7 centimeter. First of all you have to construct this triangle ABC. Already we have done BC. Measurement of AB is 4.5. So take measurement of 4.5 on your compass. Putting center as B, draw a arc Now we have already drawn arc from B. Now we have to draw from C, that is 7 centimeter. Again take measurement of 7 centimeter on your compass, and taking C as center, draw an arc. The point of intersection which we got here is our point A. So from point A, mark it as point A and draw from A to B and A to C. Now you have to simply construct is your point D. For point D, first of all take measurement CD equal to 4 centimeter. Taking C as center, draw a 4 centimeter arc. AD is 6 centimeter. Again take measurement of 6 centimeter on compass. Point it on A and draw an arc. After drawing an arc, just join your point D with C and point D with A. So here you have got a quadrilateral ABCD with the given dimensions. You have to only mark out is the given dimensions: 4.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD is equal to 4 centimeter, AC is equal to 7 centimeter, and AD is equal to 6 centimeter. You have to also write the steps of construction through which we have drawn. That is, first of all we have drawn BC equal to 5.5 centimeter. Then we have drawn BAB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Then AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Then we have taken point C and D as 4 centimeter, and A and D is equal to 6 centimeter. You have to also write the steps of construction. I have already sent you a PDF for the following constructions of example exercise 4.1. You have to completely read the steps of construction and start drawing it.